Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make date field required in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before that, here we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course especially for a Salesforce administrator. And even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds. And you will get the lifetime access of the course. And you can buy this course through the link that we have mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from the beginner to advanced level and also have 9 plus modules with real business scenarios and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos. And we also provide a course material like PDFs and solution and one-to-one doubt clear and interview preparation session and also give you a certification of completion and provide internship and placement opportunities. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about this Salesforce administrator part. So let's move on to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning mode and here we will learn about how to make date field required in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly go to gear icon and select the setup option. Our setup page is open. Now we select the object manager that is present on the nav bar and our object manager page is open. And under this page we can see lots of objects are present, but we want to select the opportunity object. So that's why we enter the opportunity in the search box and click on the opportunity object and then select the field and relationship option. Our field and relationship page is open and under this page we can see loads of fields are already created. And here we can see a date field is also present. That is a close date. And when we scroll to the bottom, we can also see there is a one more date field that is a due date and we want to require this due date field. So that's why we click on this due date. Our due date field page is open. Now we added this page. Our due date field page comes into the added mode and we scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see there is a general option section present and under this section we can see there is a required checkbox present and we make this field required. That's why we click on the required checkbox and this required checkbox always required a value in this field in order to save a record. After checking this checkbox, we click on the save button and we come back to our due date field page and when we scroll to the bottom, here we go, we can see under the general option section, our required checkbox field is checked. Now we click on the app launcher and enter the opportunity in the search box, select the opportunities and our opportunity record page is open. Here we want to create a new opportunity. So we click on the new button and our new opportunity dialog box is open. Here we can see the information related to the opportunity. We fill the complete information and here we go. We can see the due date field is also present, which is the date data type, and we here we see the red color asterisk sign is shown, and this show that this field is required. If we leave this field empty, this show error. So we click on the save button without filling any value inside the field. So here we go. We can see complete this field. This field show error. Complete this field. So this field is a required field. So let's move ahead and discuss about how to make this date field required in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we click on the profile picture and then select the switch to Salesforce Classic option. Our Classic version is open and then select the setup option Our setup page is open. Now we enter the object in the search box and then click on the drop down arrow of the customize and select the objects. And here we go. Our custom object page is open. From all these custom objects, we select the event object. Our custom object event page is open and we scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we go. We can see the custom fields and relationship section present. And under this section, we can see the already created fields are present. If you want to create new one, so you can click on the new button. But that time, we select from this field and we want to select the date data type field, that is the event date, and we make this field required. So we click on this field. The event date field page is open and we want to edit this field, so we click on the edit button. Now we can edit anything which we want, but we scroll to the bottom and here we go, we can see there is a general option section present and we want this event date field required. So for this we click on the required checkbox and the warning message pop up. Making this field required may break the existing API or Apex requests that do not supply a value for this field. Please read the message carefully and then hit the confirm button. So after hitting the confirm button, our required checkbox is checked and it always required a value in this event date field in order to save the record. And after that, we click on the save button. And here we go, we come back to our event date field page. And when we scroll to the bottom under the general option section, we can see our required checkbox is checked. And we scroll up and here we select the event object. So we click on the drop down arrow and then select the event object. Our event record page is open and here we want to create a new one. So we click on the new button and enter the event name. Here you can give any name and then you can see there is a event date field is present, which is a date data type. If you did not want to enter any value inside this field, so you leave, but this field is a required field. So when you click on the save button, they show the error. Please enter the value inside this field so you can easily save your record. So that time we leave this field empty and hit the save button and you can see it show error. You must enter a value inside this field. So enter the value and then save the record. So with this, we have learned how to make date field required in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.